1915. Medic 22.
Responding 5925 Handel.
Medic 42. It's going to be a 72-year-old female, can't walk. Center engine 34, 1215 North 27th Street. Alarm system engine 34, 1215 North 27th Street for the alarm system. South Irvine. Medic 2.
Medic 46.
Medic 2. Checking your status.
Yes, ma'am, you can make us available.
Affirmative.
6. Attention Medic 11, 430 Reed Street, second floor apartment. Medic 11, 430 Reed Street, second floor apartment.
34. Spawning 1215 over 27.
Affirmative, sir.
Engine 41.
141.
Full location, this is accidental. Make engine 41 available.
Okay, engine 41. Medic 29B.
Responding 6108 North 6th Street.
Medic 29B is going to be a 13-year-old male. Mental, emotional. Wait for police. Patients are violent.
St. Matthews Manor, apartment 316. Medic 9B, 230 North 57, St. Matthews Manor, apartment 316.
52B.
52B.
3422 North 21st Street.
430 Reed. It's going to be for a second floor, 79-year-old male, a fever. Attention Medic 34, 4508 Sampson Street. Medic 34, 4508 Sampson Street. Medic 43.
34 Medic 11, I'll take 430 Reed. 834.
Engine 34.
All locations investigating.
Okay, sir.
Attention Medic 11 recall, Medic 11 recall, Medic 43 is now available and responding 430 Reed Street, second floor apartment. Repeated, Medic 11 is recalled, Medic 11 is recalled, Medic 43 is now available and responding 430 Reed Street, second floor apartment.
Medic 11, copy the recall. Thanks for 3. 43.
Proceed.
Responding. Now, this is apartment complex. I need an apartment number. Second floor, please.
I'm sorry, is the apartment complex and second floor is not enough?
I don't believe so, ma'am. It should be a room number.
A number, okay.
Available.
Affirmative.
7. for a fall in the lobby.
Medic 33.
Medic 33B. Ladder 4.
Ladder 4 is available.
Ladder 4, affirmative.
34.
Proceed.
508 cancel.